Five-window Deuce Coupe. I love those. Beautiful. That's purple. If you can't see in the video, it's purple. If the sun was out better, it would look really nice. It's even got a back seat in it. 34 Ford. It's nice. Very nice. Pennsylvania. Let's come over here and check out this Challenger now. 74 Challenger. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a rollover simulator. You get in that and they'll spin you around, and that's how you know what it feels like to get rolled over in your car. I think I'll pass. Not today. Alright, I'm coming up on the General Lee, and I've got to check this out. It's one of my favorite cars. This is done nice too. Looks good. Doors aren't welded, but they don't need to be. Man, look at that. That is nice. I like everything about this car. You even got the CV on it. Got an aluminum radiator in it. He's got his horns going. Check out the horns for his Dixie tune. That's it, people. That's nice. Early. It's like a, what do we got here? We got a 68 Camaro. 68. Automatic. That's a pre-Bumblebee edition. Looks good. Looks good. Look at the paint job on this, y'all. That's beautiful. Those flames just kind of deep in there. I think I just heard them say this is an all fiberglass body. And it's nice. Look at that. And right next to it, you got you a nice newer Cobra. Check out the 57. 57, I believe that's a 210. Yep. Double air cleaner on it. Got a 69 Camaro right next to it. Z28.
Worst spot to try to do anything with it.
66. Plymouth Belvedere. That's not something you see very often. Some big old wide, not too wide, but they got some slicks on the back. Mach 1 Mustang, that's what, about a 70. It's not about, it is a 70. Yep. Very nice.